Alright, YouTube. Man, welcome to part 4. Yeah, part 4. Where we're going to work on number 2. Now, I took off the far as the flange for number 1 because I had to get it in the car because we have a boat in the way. But we good. We got that straightened out. As far as taking it off of the flange right here, mark some areas where to put it back if I need it. But for number 2, I'm actually going to start on the collector itself, just so I can get around this number 1. So, and I cut out some pieces I think might work. So we're going to try it and see. But yeah, we're not going to start from the actual number 2. We actually going to start from number 2 on the flange and on the collector. And meet pretty much in the middle. Just because I want to clear this right here. I want to clear this right here, make sure I can clear it. So, and that's what we're going to be doing right now. Well, I'm actually going to put a bevel around these pieces so we can get ready to check weld and see can we get around this. Alright, y'all see me struggling with this piece, trying to figure this piece out, and I got it. I got it. Pretty much trying to clear this right here, and we did. We touching it, so that's a good thing. I think if it's touching, it's a good thing. I mean, we got it really tight because you don't want to get in the way of these other two. But yet got that on. I'm trying to figure out how to get down here now. And what I'm trying to do is, like, I can easily get this right here and bend it down, but I really want to stay close to this as possible, so we get no surprises when it's time to put it in the car. So I really want to stay close to this one as possible. Maybe just taking it down with some pie cuts, getting a real tight turn going down, and just keeping it close to this one. Cause this, if I do this stick out way too far. I want to be at the same level as this one. See, this is poking out way too far. I want to be like right here, really, just really getting it really tight, almost hugging each other. That's what I want. Something really tight, so I can, go in and be installed pretty quick and easy. So I know I'm gonna have to get like 5 or 6 packets going down here, so I can be real tight up on this, making it hug it around here, at least making this one touch going this way. Then we're gonna sneak it up, because we still got 2 more to go. We want as much space to clear these as possible. We don't know how it's gonna go, so the closer we get, I say is the better, at least for 1 and 2 and 3. 4 probably have enough space to do whatever. So I'm gonna get some pie cuts cut out, and we're gonna continue. But y'all see where I'm going with it.
Exotic Beats.
Okay, YouTube, everything is fitting pretty well, except that one part down there. Just seen it, actually. Just seen it. We're not clearing this part right here. It might eventually touch that. So we gotta make it tighter. Just by a little bit. Just by a little bit. I don't think we cleared that area right there. That area might have to get cut back anyway because this right here, this part right there, because that part moves. So we might have to cut a little U in that so it won't damage the header. So man, these old schools can handle little cut stuff like that. So, but or I can just probably bend this a little when it's all welded. When it's all welded, you can bend it a little bit, and it probably clear that area. But let's try the parts that we taped on. Let's see how it's gonna look overall with what we got. Alright, y'all. It's time to put a bezel. Take this stuff apart, put a bevel over there, and tack weld these. This is pretty much a go. These worked out just fine. So we made our marks where they go. Then it's time to take them apart and put them back together. Challenge coming to the end, but we got it done. Check it out. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I think it looks pretty good. We're gonna get it fitting. Fit it in the car. I already know it's good. But y'all stay tuned. We're gonna do 3. We're gonna have 3 come from here.